Alright guys, quickly without wasting time, let me teach you how to add your debit card to your Play Store. So you can use it to purchase anything you want, maybe like UK number, or to register anything online, or to pay for any subscription online. So to do that, let's go to your Play Store. So once you come to your Play Store, you see this your profile icon here, you click on it. Then here you select any Gmail you want. You can say switch account. This switch account, you can use it to add any Gmail of your choice. So once you select the Gmail that you want to use, then we'll go ahead. I believe by now you have choose the email. So follow me very carefully as we continue in this video. So having choose the email, you want to link your card. So once you have choose the email, you want to link your card, your debit card. So you come down, you see payment and subscription. Click on payment and subscriptions. So once you click on it, so the first option, payment method, click on payment method. Wait for it to load. I think I'm having a little network. Okay, it's back. So once you come to this place, then you click add credit or debit card. Click on it. Then here they will give you an option. It will be blank automatically because they won't allow you to see my detail, and that is how yours too will be. They will give you an option for you to enter your card number and every other detail of your card. Then once you input it, you click on save. Make sure you don't do mistake. If you have any challenge while watching this video, make sure you come to my DM to ask question so I can put you through. So once you've done it successfully, you will see an option to click on save. I don't know if you understand. If you understand, good, you are a good student. Thank you for being following. And if you don't understand, you can rewatch this video. Maybe you can watch it again to know whether what you did is right. Make sure you do the correct thing. Everything they provide for you, make sure you do it. Once you input your first item, they will ask you to input is your card number. Once you input your card number, they will give you MM/YY, which is the date and the month and year of the expiration of that card. Then security code. That security code, that is the 3 digits that is always at the back of your ATM card or your debit card. So that's the number you have to use. Make sure you input everything correctly. Don't do mistake. And you can also have, once you register, you will see an option for you to update it. Maybe if you do mistake in registering for the first time, you will have the opportunity to re-edit what you initially input. Thank you for being following. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscription button and follow us for more updates. Thank you.